Hello everyone. Welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most impressive and majestic wild animals. Not only one of the largest creatures on land, but also a powerful symbol of bravery, patience, and dominance in the natural world. Tigers are the largest animals in the cat family, with a strong, muscular body and distinctive striped fur. These stripes are not only one of the tiger's most recognizable features, but also help them camouflage effectively in their natural environment, from dense forests to open grassland. There are 6 subspecies of tigers currently in existence, including the Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Sumatran tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, South China tiger, and Malayan tiger. Each subspecies has its unique characteristics and habitats, but they all share common traits of strength and top-notch hunting skills. Tigers are carnivores, with a diet primarily consisting of large animals like deer, elk, and wild buffalo. They use their muscular strength and incredible speed to stalk and take down prey quickly and efficiently. The tiger's hunting skills are a testament to nature's perfection, where every detail of their body is optimized for the hunt. Not only are they powerful hunters, but tigers are also extremely independent creatures. Unlike lions, tigers typically live solitary lives, coming together only during the breeding season or when caring for their young. Despite their solitary nature, tigers maintain a strong attachment to their territory, frequently patrolling and marking boundaries with scent to warn off potential intruders. Tigers are not just symbols of strength in various cultures, they are also a crucial part of the ecosystem. They help maintain the balance of their natural habitats by controlling the population of prey species and preventing the outbreak of diseases. However, tigers are facing the threat of extinction due to habitat loss, illegal poaching, and the decline in prey populations. Tiger conservation is a significant challenge, requiring global cooperation to protect this precious animal from the risk of permanent disappearance.